Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers Cheap San Luis local and long-distance movers near me. Whether due to a job change or a lack of space, moving to a new house or office space is sometimes inevitable. It might be tough to strike a balance between the stress of moving and your regular routines. You'll need a moving company to help you. Located in San Luis AZ is 3Movers. This company is a renowned moving company specializing in both long-distance and local relocations. Many of our satisfied customers have left us glowing reviews. To put ourselves ahead of the pack, we have a long history of delivering exceptional service. Our services are fair and of the highest quality. Additionally, we provide the lowest prices in the industry and attractive incentives for new clients. The privacy of our clients is essential to us, and we take it seriously. Only professionals work for us. Thus, they go above and beyond to execute their tasks to the best of their abilities. Our San Luis office has the best trucks and vans to transport your belongings without any risks safely. We are more than just a moving company. We're a team of experts that are committed to helping others. If you have to make a last-minute decision and need a pickup van, we're here to help. All of 3Movers trucks are available even at short notice. We always meet up deadlines, and our trucks are always in top condition and ready to travel. Also, we're always prepared to help you regardless of the distance to your new office or home. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our San Luis moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.